Hey you and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to transfer money from Wise to Bayad Wallet. And if you want to do this, the first thing that you need to know is you need to have a verified account on Wise. If you don't have any idea how to do that, I created a video where I showed you exactly how to do that. So check that one out, and then after that, click on this video again, and then we can start transferring money from Wise to Bayad Wallet. So right now what we're going to do is we click here on send, and then we fill in, for example, the Philippines. Then we click on the Philippines, and then we fill in right here 100 euro. What you need to know is not every country has the option e-wallet, so keep that in mind. You need that later in this video. So we select right here add recipient, and then we do right here e-wallet. Then you can send it to yourself or maybe someone else. So we do someone else, and then you fill in right here their email. It's very important. Then we fill in right here a full name of the account holder, and then under there we do the wallet provider. So we click on it, and there we have it, Bayad Wallet. So we click on that one. We fill in right here the recipient's e-wallet number. That is very important to fill in correctly. And then we fill in right there the city. Then we do next right here, but for me everything is red because I don't have an account on Bayad Wallet. But if you have an account, he will send you to the review page. Check all your details right there and then click on continue. And then do the steps which are necessary, and then he will send you to the pay page. Then on the pay page, you see your payment, and then you transferred money from Wise to Bayad Wallet. So hopefully this was exactly the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.